Arts Workfly.
Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. This is your favorite art teacher, Art Workfly. I know I haven't been on here a lot, but nevertheless I am back, and now I have a package here. I should have opened it a long time, see if I got everything I need to double check, even the invoice, Temu invoice, what I purchased and stuff like that, because I feel as if I haven't gotten everything. But let's get into the haul and see if I got everything I purchased. So I really want to, you know what, I was gonna start with this big box, but I changed my mind. I'm gonna start with the small packages first, so get that out of the way. Firstly is this nightwear I got from, not me, but my husband got from Temu. So those are nightwears from Temu. It's very soft. It has a little bit of weight to them. Kind of feel like it's a quality thing, even though it was cheap. So I don't know. Let me see what this is. As I said, I need to double check to see if I got everything. Oh, the reason why I purchased these is because my daughter's birthday is coming up. So this little bit. My daughter's birthday is coming up, so I decided to get her some of these paint kits. She has been loving to draw. My daughter can draw better than how I used to do in high school, in basic school or primary school. But these look like quality paints. I can't wait for her to open it and try, and I will try it to see if it's really quality. But I got this from Temu. Also got this for her. Also, I am going to open this, or should I allow her to open it? You know what, I am going to open it and see how it works. So I have the canvas here. I didn't know it wouldn't come with a canvas, but oh, it should set up. Okay, so I need to set it up. It's a good thing that I opened it before, because it needs to be set up. It has the supplies in there. So does it need to be set up? Yes, it does. So it has the supplies in there. It comes with a palette, and I said canvas. I don't know what I'm gonna set. Oh, and it comes with more acrylic paints in it. She likes to store her paints away, so that's good. Comes with paint brushes and a palette knife. And it has the screws and stuff. So, is there a manual? I didn't see any manual in here. I will set this up probably later on if the storage on my phone doesn't run out. So I'll set this up a bit later. It's a good size for her still. Alright, so finish with that. So we're gonna do this one. How did I special? Alright, so this one should be a book set. So it has all this. It's like a chain or bracelet. I will wait for her to open it. These are scrunchies or clips. They're scrunchies. And these are the clips and the book. cute. And then she gets a little bag with it and a pen. A pen, a pencil, a pen. Blue pen. It's nice. It's very cutesy. Alright, so I'm done with that one. Alright, so this one. I don't remember how much I paid for these things. It has been a while, guys. Alright, so this one, she likes to make things and do things with her hand. So I'm gonna teach her how to do is it called crochet bracelet? Macrame bracelet? Macrame. I'm gonna teach her how to do macrame. Macrame. I'm gonna teach her how to do that. So this is the kit. Oh, this. Oh, and it comes with the card inside. I guess these are to hold it and stuff. That's good. I guess she gets some stickers and the instructions. So here it is. So this is another one. I don't know what is in this, but we're gonna find out together. Alright then. This is a total package, guys. Alright, so she gets, or I could take it. She gets a sketchbook. Oh, so neat. I'm gonna let her pull it. She gets a sketchbook, but I want to know the quality. I'm gonna let her pull it. She gets an acrylic pad. I want this. Did I buy these things for me? You know what I'm feeling there? Should I give it to her? Alright, I'm gonna give it to her. But if she's not using it, I will take it. Alright. Oh, yes, believer. Alright, so this one is a big one. Alright, one of these is gonna have to be mine. So this one is like the bigger version of this one. You see that? You see that? You see that? Alright, so it's a bigger version. I definitely have to pull this because I think it comes with other stuff in it. It's so small. Oh yes, I know what this is now. Yes, it comes with other stuff in it. It's a kit. Oh, it's different from this one. It's kind of different. It's kind of different, guys. Man, I forgot that I bought this one. But anyways. Right now, are you kidding me right now? Are you kidding me right now? This is an artist's dream right here. So it comes with like the paint brushes on this side. Can keep her brushes organized and away from her brother. That's what she wants. She has her little drawing pencil, which I think I might take. I don't know. I think it's a little needed eraser or sharpener. Or sharpener is wood. I never seen a wood sharpener before. And she has, oh, this is a picture of it. So it comes with like a little, but you know I'm gonna take the smaller one because see they have the same thing. Has that same thing. It needs to be set. Oh no, it just needs the the thing to hold it up. So it's like an easel. What else? Oh, it has drawers. Alright, so that's going to be the top part. Something is stuck in it. So it has acrylic paints. I definitely have to take some of these acrylic paints. Probably I'll take the bigger one. She has watercolor paints. This side watercolor paints, acrylic paints, and she has a little palette there. How this is going to come out now? The pastel. The pastel in there made it stuck. Like one came out. So, unless I pull out this drawer, okay. And take out this one. Okay. So here it is, guys. You see that? You see that? You see that? I think I might take the oil pastel. I don't know as yet. These are pencil crayons, so she gets her own sets of pencil crayons. She doesn't have to use mine anymore. So she have her pencil crayons here. And she have oil pastel. I think I have enough oil pastel anyway, so I don't really want to. I think I'm going to take the smaller one for my purpose. Alright, so how it works, I'm running out of time on this. Where is the easel now? This way. Oh, something. I don't know. And like it misses something off. I put it in one of the holes. There's a hole here. So she has an easel where she can put her stuff. It's like that. And she put her canvas on it. And then she do her thing. And she can just do it like that. Wish me get this from me, did you? Like I'm gonna teach her over the summer how to do these things, and it has a little handle so she can carry it wherever she wants to go, even though it's a bit heavy. Alright, I'm running out of time, guys, so I can't sit up here. But thank you guys for watching. Thank you guys for watching this haul, and I will see you in the next one. Alright, fly. Please remember to like, share, comment, subscribe, and hit the bell so you can always know when I upload.